Hi, it's Daisy, and I'm going to be opening a Build-A-Bear advent calendar that I got at the mall yesterday for Black Friday. This is the advent calendar I got, and I'm so excited to open it up. It includes 6 mini plus 19 mini clothing and accessories. I'm using a toothpick instead of scissors or a knife because I want to try this out. So all I have to do is put this in here and so it should work. By the way, I would do this when it is December 1st, but I really want to open this in November. Oh, nice. I forgot that number 2 was on the other side. Awesome, 2 mini rebels. Oh, and pajamas. Oh, nice, a sleeping max. Oh, and slippers. I almost forgot the name. Oh, here's 6. Oh, another bear. Oh, nice, a Christmas sort. Oh, and pajamas. Pajama pants. Oh, and a hat. A scarf. Oh, here's 11. Oh, and a red bear. That's so adorable. Next, 12. Oh, nice. 13. 14. I think this is a elf hat. Oh, nice, a candy cane. 16. Oh, another mini bear. 17. Nice, a Santa sword, I think. Oh, a Santa skirt, awesome. 19. Oh, and a really different Santa hat. I love this Santa hat, by the way. A gift. I forgot 21 was here. Oh, and another bear. Y22. And this must be the Santa, short. 23. I love how they put the Santa outfit at the end. Oh, and I love that they have a plain Santa hat as well. And last but not least, this number, the last one. Oh, and I just realized I can use this for LPS as well. And I can probably use this I can use this for LPS. Here are the bells and the accessories. And please comment down below what names do you think I should name all of these. Oh, and just so you know, I am going to make this into an LPS Christmas house. So please look out for that.